Alright, so we're at the new owner's house. You know, go check him out. Are you excited?
I am. I'm getting the Midland radio permanently now, instead of having the two-way portable radio. So Corey is kind enough. He already put the new one in. So this is what I got now. It's just a matter of installing it when the guys get together.
Alright, so you guys are definitely gonna have to watch his video. I'll link to it once he gets there. Alright, see you guys in the next one.
Today's video, we are installing my new radio. But before we start, I must get a couple more items to help the process. Alright, so this is the antenna base that came with the radio. It's not a permanent one because I am planning to get a different one, a stronger antenna hopefully, but for now it's gonna go right here, and then we're gonna fit it through those opening for that firewall where the wire came from. So it's gonna be coming in to inside. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys. So what I did, run the power underneath and behind the gas pedal. Comes on to the other side where I'm gonna install the actual unit. So let's go see what's on the other side. Alright guys, so I put the antenna through firewall, hooked it up to the unit, the power, the mouthpiece, receiver. All I have to do is just connect the power, so we'll test it out hopefully. Alright guys, it's on. Let's see if I can call one of my buddy. Trash Panda, you copy?
Yes, I do.
Thank you, sir. I just have to button up all this wire and stuff, but we are all set.
Roger that.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Good night.
Well guys, it was a successful project. I was able to talk to Keith, aka Trash Panda. He lives about a mile from here, so we're basically neighbors. But anyway, thanks to Corey for letting me buying the Midland. So yeah, so I just have to button up a couple things, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button, and until next time, keep on jeeping. Peace out.